Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Catia V5 basics. So this is the continuation of the first basic tutorial. So as you can see, this was the first model that I made in the first part of the tutorial. So let's progress from here. If you haven't watched that, make sure you watch that before. So let's begin with the tutorial. So in this tutorial I will use some fillets, and basically edge fillets and some chamfers. So for that, let's start with the edge fillet. Select this edge, just give it a radius of 5 mm, preview, fine. You can do it on this side as well. Select your edge, maybe 7 mm this time, perfect. Let's give chamfer to this edge, 1 mm, preview. Let's increase the length some more, angle is 45, perfect. So chamfer done. Let's give some more edge fillets on this edge, okay, and let's go for chamfer again on this edge, preview, okay, oops. So we'll decrease the length, okay. So this is the basics of fillet and chamfer and Catia V5 part design. Let's give some more fillets. You can give multiple, you can select multiple edges and give them same radius for the edge fillet. So just hold control and select your edges. Right now I'm holding the control and I'm selecting all the edges. After that, adjust your radius, preview, okay, it's perfect. So yeah guys, this is the second tutorial on Catia V5 basics, and this is how you can use fillets and chamfer in Catia V5. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to like and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos like this in future, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much and peace.